Hello and welcome back to another one of my how-to video. In today's video we're going to be demonstrating how to refill the spool for your STIHL SuperCut trimmer head. And of course you don't have to take off the trimmer head, but I just took it off for this demonstration. And the first thing we're going to do is insert your hands in these little holes right there, and there's two on both sides. You get your hands in there, you pop off this cover, and then you're going to have the spool right there. And on the spool it's going to tell you what size the string this head accepts. So you have some in millimeters and in inches. So we're going to take this off next, and then we're going to get our string. And the string that I have is already pre-cut, and it's about 8 feet. And this is going to vary depending on which trimmer head model you have. But you know what, once you do it the first time, you should make a note of it, just so that you don't waste string when you restring it again. And then you're going to start off with the first top section, and see, it gives you little instructions right there. You put it in there and you bend it. So we're going to put it in this top one right there, and then you're going to bend it and string it counterclockwise. And always do the top one first, believe me, it's going to make things a lot easier. And so you firmly string it. And so you want to leave it right to about there, and then you snap it into this little groove there. Then you're going to do the same thing with the next string. So like I said, each one of these strings are about 8 feet long. So you just want to cut your string and then separate it. You want to double that and then cut it in half. So again, we're going to stick it in this little groove right there. I'm going to bend it backwards like this and start stringing. I'm going to make sure that it's very tight while you're stringing it. You don't want to overfill it, or else it's not going to work out too properly. And so again, you snap it in there. And if you have an excess coming off, you know, you want to have these be the same length, which it should be if you cut it in half, but it should look something like that. And then you want to line it up with these eyelets. You stick it in there, and you take the first one off, and snap it off and put it through this little clip right there and through the eyelet like that. I'm going to do the same thing with the other side. I'm going to wrap it around this little clip and through the eyelet. And put the cover on back. Snap it on, make sure it's on snug. And that's pretty much it. You know, so this one is pretty much clean, but if you're out there and you're working and all that and it gets dirty, you wanna kind of shake it off or brush it off. You don't want dirt in there, because believe me, these things can act up once they get a lot of dirt trapped in there, and it won't work efficiently. So I hope this video was helpful to someone, and if you enjoyed it, please feel free to give it a thumbs up or subscribe. Thank you.